The need for affordable housing in La Crosse is putting one of the city's community gardens in danger. News 19's Chandler Brindley shares those concerns and why this deal was done.
360 Real Estate Solutions is purchasing parcels of land owned by the Mayo Clinic Health System. Those parcels are occupied by the Washburn Community Garden, but will no longer be available for next season's planting, which some residents are not happy about.
We've always kind of suspected that Mayo was going to do what Mayo does and do something with this land.
The garden, which has been available to the community for the past 11 years, will be the site of a new housing development in La Crosse.
We've got a lot of other needs around our campus for affordable housing, and we want to make sure that the campus and everything that surrounds this neighborhood is vibrant, and we think we've got a solution and a partner in the community that can make that happen, and long term provide the gardeners a solution as well.
Erickson also says this is a possible way to serve patients over the long term. But it's not all roses. Aubrey says that the garden will be decimated from the housing development.
I'm upset that they're selling it to a developer. I think a lot of the gardeners are pretty upset that they're selling it to a developer who's going to cut most of this out. They've sort of promised that there were going to be boulevards around the edge. Nobody's going to want to grow anything next to this street that's going to be salted and plowed.
One of the co-owners of 360 Real Estate says he's looking to the concerns from the gardeners.
Not only do I understand them, I value their concerns. So, you know, the sense of place that you create when you have a garden and a food source and the social aspect of gardening, all of that resonates with us as a company as we're working on building communities. So we support what the vision is for a garden.
How the garden will look after the purchase is still unknown, as is the construction timeline and final cost of the project. Reporting in La Crosse, I'm Chandler Brindley, News 19.
And the Washburn Neighborhood Association will hold a meeting next Tuesday, September 26th at 6:30 at the La Crosse American Legion Post.